அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். My name is A. Kingsley Azaria. I am studying in Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Madurai. I am also a student of Junior IAS Academy.
Today I am going to take a lecture on child growth and development through theory of selfology, directed by Agastya Bharati. First, how to train a child from his birth. There are thousands of scientific theories were given for the child growth and development. But those theories are all enough within a certain distance or within a certain particular event. And those theories are a thing in common would be one that is generally practicable. But in our theory of selfology, we tell how to raise a child individually by their parents. But before starting to raise the child, we should start deeply realizing the potential existing within them. When we realize the potentials, we can find the smarts in the child. As Howard Gardner says, there are 8 smarts existing in a child by his birth. These smarts are known as 8 intelligences. They are body smart, word smart, math smart, picture smart, people smart, naturalistic smart, self smart, and musical smart. Depending on the extent of these 8 intelligences, one become a child prodigy. Therefore, the fetus become a polar child. Only when we begin to measure this level of intelligence, we can grow a child scientifically and spiritually. In our theory of selfology, a child grows in 100% scientifically and 100% spiritually. A child grows without any kind of stress and even wasting a minute. And in that way, there will be no any glitches and without any stress. Child growth and development by theory of selfology is through the method of individually, genetically, epigenetically, and spiritually. Here, spiritually means when we are completely in no thought, we are completely in spiritual status. Our selfology states that how to get the spiritual status in children. Selfology is for raising a child individually because all children are unique in their level of absorption, surrounding, and genetic potential because they were changing or changed every minute consciously or unconsciously, knowingly or unknowingly in their knowledge. Also, they were automatically growing physically. Their knowledge also growing until they were going to the cemetery. So, we should raise the child from its birth because it has at least 8 smarts. But our theory of selfology states that a child can have unlimited smarts by his birth. But the concept is how to realize the smarts within the kid. We can also bring every smarts in the universe, but it was extreme. We should first find the smarts in a child. For that, we should interact with the kid, visual educate the kid, self motivate, and get the feedback from the kid for finding the smarts in the kid. We would not teach a child how to speak, but it automatically learns speaking within 2 years. We also show some pictures, televisions, speak with them, and they start to communicate with us and they will give us feedback. Here we can find their word smart.